These are just my chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Reese's peanut butter cups and just put them right on top of that cookie dough. These are gonna be some yummy treats. So fun to eat, so fun to make, so easy. You just get your pre-made desserts and you're good to go.
This looks so good already.
Yeah, when you cut into this, you're just gonna see all that yummy peanut butter in there. Yummy. Ooh, okay. I think we can fit one more row in there. What do you think?
Yeah, let's try one more row.
I love
3 more?
Reese's.
Nice. Is it Reese's or Reese's?
It's whatever you want it to be.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so we have cookie dough, we have the Reese's. These are the full-size Reese's. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab our brownie mix. I already pre-mixed this.
Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, and pre-chilled it.
Yeah. There we go. Right on top of those Reese's. This is gonna be so good. I know there's so many different renditions of these type of brownies, but this one's the best, I promise you.
We've tried them all. This is the best.
Yep. Spread it to our best ability. Get everything covered. It's okay if those Reese's move a little bit because it's all gonna melt and be gooey and ooey and so delicious.
Ooh, gooey, ooey, and yummy.
Yeah.
Right, look at that.
Okay, yummy.
Oh.
I love brownie batter.
Me too. Is it easy to eat? Is it good to eat?
All right, now that special thing I was telling you that we're gonna put on top, mini Oreos.
Oh, that's so cool.
I love mini Oreos.
You should just dump them on there.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna sprinkle them on.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Oh, look how cute they are.
Okay, this is the ultimate dessert, am I right?
Yeah, I can't wait to see the brownie mix cooked and the cookie dough mixed and cooked and everything. Yay!
Okay, this looks so good.
So you want to squeeze, you want to push these into the batter.
Yeah, so that they're just not sticking up like that.
Nice. It's like you and me, you know?
Yeah, we're sticking together. All right, that is done. That's
Done.
it.
I wanna see layers.
4 ingredients. That's
4 ingredients.
it.
Bada
So
bing, bada boom.
easy. All right, let's look at that bottom.
Ooh.
Oh, you see the brownie batter seeping through all the cookie dough?
I didn't even think that was going to happen. Awesome.
Right? All right, so I have my oven set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 45 minutes. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Like cookie dough just like popping out. Oh, this is about to be incredible.
Looks so good.
I want to eat it warm so I can see that Reese's. Oh, that Reese's right there.
Oh, look, the melted chocolate from the Reese's.
Yeah, that's gonna be so good. Ooh, yummy.
Right. Scoop it out. Let's see it.
Okay.
Oh, it's like you said, ooey and gooey and delicious.
Woo. Oh yeah. That looks
Look
so
at
good. That melted chocolate from the Reese's.
Oh my gosh,
Yummy.
it literally looks perfect.
Okay, let me get a fork.
Okay,
I want to get some of that Reese's.
take a bite. Oh, it's perfectly cooked. Look
Yeah. Ooh, do you see that peanut butter right there?
Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be so good. Okay.
Is it good? Nice and hot, huh?